How to enable ray tracing in Minecraft Bedrock 1.20. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to enable tracing in Minecraft Bedrock 1.20. So in that case, you have to first of all log in into your account. So go to your web browser, go ahead and open up in Minecraft, and here you could go ahead and press the settings button. So from the home page, when you press on the settings button, then you'll be taken to this sort of page where you need to go to video, and then you'll be taken to the next page on the right side where you have to go and press on ray tracing. When you've actually done that, you'll be directed to the home page once again. So go to Marketplace. As you press on the Marketplace, then press on the search box icon in the top right hand side corner of your screen. Now you could go ahead and type in ray tracing. When you type in that, you'll be able to find the result. So press the free button. As you've actually done that, you need to go ahead and press on the download button. Wait for the following application to be downloaded. And when you've actually done downloading it, go ahead and open it up and then click on create. Now you'll be able to read the terms and condition, and you've successfully enabled a ray tracing in Minecraft 1.20. And that's how you can enable ray tracing in Minecraft Bedrock 1.20. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.